Welcome to part 2 of my Simoto JSM90 rebuild. Let's get on with it, shall we? Now I'm going to be putting the handlebars on. Now I'm going to be tightening everything up. I need to make sure I get these on straight. First I'm going to be fitting the carburetor. Now I'm going to be putting the throttle on. This is my favourite part of the bike. And that's the carburetor and throttle on. And this is the part that you twist to make it go faster. Now I'm going to fit the handguards. These can be a bit fiddly to put on. We put those on so when you crash it doesn't hurt your hands. I am now going to fit the gear lever, and it's a heel and toe version. My dad has modified this heel and toe because I found it a bit tricky to go up a gear. Now I'm going to fit the footrests. These can be a bit fiddly because you've got to be under the bike, holding it up and putting the screws in all at the same time. Now I'm going to be fitting the rear brake lever and the kickstart lever. This part is a kickstart lever. You push it down and it starts the bike up. Now I'm going to be fitting the rear brake lever. I have to use pliers to put the clip through the bar so the back brake lever doesn't fall off. And that's them on. Now I'm going to fit the front brake. I use the front brake more than I use the back brake. Here I'm fitting the brake caliper, which has brake pads in it, and when I pull the lever, the pads push against the disc, which helps me to slow down or stop. This part I'm fitting is the brake lever, and it helps me to stop. Here I am clipping the cable to the forks to keep it neat and tidy. That's the front brake fitted. Seems to be working okay. That's the end of part 2. In the final part, I will finish off the bike ready for the coming season.